What did you guys decide to call the UTV?
Big red.
Big Red, because the Honda's red, right? That's what you decided to call it? You're walking? Alright, side by side is the perfect way to get up it. No problem. I can keep the camera to this. Yeah. The wet stuff's fun. Oh, there's some water coming in. You guys get water back there? A bit? A bit more than you thought? Hello, am I recording? Yes. Okay, so we found a nice little spot. We took Big Red out, our new UTV, and I'm just sharing some footage with family. The kids are literally in the bush eating their hot dogs. I'll show you footage of that in a second. And I got some footage of the BioLite. Our new BioLite that we got a while ago actually has been great. It boiled the water fast. I'm having my coffee. It cooked the hot dogs fast. What do you need, babe? The what? There's a beautiful spot here by some falls, which I'll show you in a minute. And that's it. We just wanted to say hi. And thanks for joining Northern Off-Roaders on our little adventure. So I'll get some other footage and share that with you guys later. Bye. How you guys liking your little fort?
It's my base.
It's your base?
Yeah,
What are you drinking? It's not booze, is it? It's coffee. It's hot chocolate.
coffee. Is it coffee? It's coffee. Marshmallows in it.
It's hot. It's coffee with marshmallows in it. Is it hot chocolate?
No. It's
No.
coffee.
Is it good?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's good. It's good. Like tiny marshmallows. It's really keeping me warm in here. It's pretty cold.
Okay, everyone say cheese. There's a little bridge on the trail. The water comes down here. Let's pop that back out so you can see better. And it goes all the way there. The phone doesn't do it justice, but it is down and gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, using my cup to hang on here so I don't lose the phone in the wind. Every so often the wind picks up. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Try and get a shot of that from the bottom later.
This is pine needles and leaves.
Did your fire working? Avery, is your fire working?